بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Imam al-Bukhari rahmatullah alayhi brings a long narration of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam in his Sahih, where Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam describes at length what is going to transpire and happen on the Day of Judgment. And I just want to explain one part of the narration and what Allama ibn Hajar al-Asqalani rahmatullah alayhi he says with regards to that part of the hadith. Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam he describes that حتى إذا فرغ الله من القضاء بين عباده وأراد أن يخرج من النار من أراد أن يخرج ممن كان يشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أمر الملائكة أن يخرجوهم فيعرفونهم بعلامة آثار السجود. That when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will decide to take out anybody who said La ilaha illallah from the fire of hell and take them out, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will command the angels to take those individuals out from the fire of hell. And the way the angels will recognize these individuals is by the signs of prostration. So now when you pray, the only limbs that actually touch the ground are the foreheads and the other seven limbs. Well, seven in total, so other six, such as the hands, the knees, and the feet. Now, what is interesting is that while explaining this hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari, in Fath al-Bari, Allama ibn Hajar al-Asqalani rahmatullah alayhi, he brings a couplets of his father that are so beautiful that I just want to share them with you. That his father made dua, in form of poetry, and he said, "Ya Rabbi, a'da as-sujudi ataqtaha min 'abdika al-jani wa anta al-waqi, wal-'itqu yasri bil-ghina ya dhal ghina, famnun 'ala al-fani bi-'itq al-baqi." Oh, my merciful Lord, the limbs that touch the ground in sajda, you freed them from the fire of hell, and that's the reason why the angels recognize them, because those parts didn't burn. The forehead and the hands and the knees, and so there are few parts that will not burn. So he says, "Oh Allah, oh the Merciful One, there are certain parts of my body, that are in prostration. You have freed them from the fire of hell, from min abdika al-jani wa anta al-waqi, from your sinful slave, and you are the one who saves. Wal itqu, and this freedom only happens because of the generosity. Oh, the generous one. Famnun ala al-fani bi itq al-baqi." So just extend that mercy, extend that forgiveness, and free my entire body from the fire of hell. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Which goes to show that inshallah, if we are firm in praying salah, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to free all of us, the entire body, from the fire of Jahannam. Because those parts that touch the ground while making sajda, they will be saved from touching the fire. And so we hope and we pray for the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that through His mercy He forgives all of us. So brothers and sisters, never give up your salah.